GPT explained, understanding how it works and why it matters. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, has revolutionized the field of natural language processing (NLP) and emerged as a groundbreaking technology for generating human-like text. Developed by OpenAI, GPT models, including the impressive GPT 3.5, have captured the attention of researchers, developers, and industries worldwide. The Transformer Architecture. The Transformer Architecture is a fundamental component of GPT's language generation capabilities. Traditional language models relied on recurrent neural networks, RNNs, to process sequential data, but the Transformer Architecture introduced a paradigm shift in NLP. It replaced sequential processing with parallel processing, enabling more efficient modeling of long-range dependencies in text. The key innovation of the Transformer is the self-attention mechanism. Self-attention allows the model to weigh the importance of each word in a given context by considering its relationships with other words in the same sentence or document. Pre-training and fine-tuning. GPT's power lies in its two-step learning process: pre-training and fine-tuning. Pre-training involves exposing the model to large amounts of publicly available text data, such as books, articles, and websites. The model learns to predict missing words in sentences or generate coherent text based on the surrounding context. This process allows GPT to develop a deep understanding of grammar, semantics, and syntactic structures present in human language. During pre-training, GPT utilizes a process called unsupervised learning. Applications of GPT. GPT's remarkable language generation capabilities have significant implications across various domains. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text has sparked interest and excitement among researchers, developers, and industries. Some notable applications of GPT include content generation. GPT can be used to generate high-quality content for various purposes, such as article writing, creative writing, and storytelling. It can assist content creators in generating drafts, brainstorming ideas, or providing inspiration. Chatbots and virtual assistants. GPT-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can engage in more natural and contextually relevant conversations with users. They can understand user queries, provide relevant information, and offer personalized assistance. Translation and summarization. GPT can facilitate automated translation between languages and generate concise summaries of long texts. This has the potential to streamline the translation process and aid in information extraction from large documents. Advancements and limitations. GPT has undergone significant advancements since its inception, with each successive version demonstrating improved language generation capabilities. GPT 3.5 in particular has garnered attention for its impressive performance and versatility. However, despite its achievements, GPT and similar language models have certain limitations. At contextual understanding. While GPT excels at understanding language context, it can still struggle with complex reasoning, logical inference, and understanding nuanced or ambiguous statements. The model heavily relies on patterns in the training data and may generate plausible but incorrect or nonsensical responses in certain scenarios. The bias and ethical concerns. GPT models learn from large-scale internet text, which can contain biases, stereotypes, and misinformation. If not addressed, this can lead to biased or discriminatory language generation. Efforts are being made to mitigate biases and ensure responsible development and usage of GPT models. Computational resources. GPT models, especially larger versions like GPT 3.5, require significant computational resources and time for training. Deploying and utilizing these models at scale can be challenging due to infrastructure constraints and associated costs. GPT, with its transformer architecture and two-step learning process, has revolutionized the field of natural language processing. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text has opened up new possibilities and applications across various domains. From content generation to chatbots, translation to question answering, GPT's impact is far-reaching. However, it is important to acknowledge the limitations and challenges that come with GPT and similar language models. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.